Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Xbox app with the error code 0x89235106 with the error message, something went wrong launching your games. So generally, error code 0x89235106 is a bug that some of them face while connecting the app to online games or any other online service provided by Xbox. And this error, it occurs different kinds of connectivity disruptions in form of loss of access to online features, and it prevents you to joining multiplayer sessions or communicating with your friends in-game. And then I'll show you some solutions to fix it. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options, select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters, so click mo lang yan. And under dito sa most frequent, and select mo lang dito yung network and internet, at dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run and wait natin. And then ma-direct tayo dito sa help and support. So ang gagawin natin dito is to follow the step-by-step procedures kung ano yung dapat natin gawin dito na i-follow, and then gawin mo lang para ma-fix yung Xbox error. And after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the Xbox app. Kung paano ba yan gawin? So open mo lang yung Microsoft Store, and then next step, once na open mo na tong Microsoft Store, at dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung library, so click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-update itong Xbox apps. Alright, so may update dito, i-click mo lang dito yung update. Alright, so after dito, ma-update mo na and ma-install complete and download. And then next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services at services local, at dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan lang natin i-search dito yung gaming services. So scroll lang tayo, and then i-select mo lang dito yung gaming service. And then ang gagawin natin dito is select and right click ka lang, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung restart. So click mo lang yan and wait natin ma-complete. And then after yan, and then next same, so kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung properties. Click mo lang yan. And next step, dito lang sa general, and then kailangan naka-automatic, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so click mo lang yan. And the next keyword na kailangan natin ay i-locate ay yung Microsoft Store install service. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down, and then i-locate mo lang dito yung Microsoft Store install service. So select and double click. And then dito lang sa general at dito sa startup type, so kailangan naka-automatic. And the next step ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and click mo lang dito yung okay. And then after dito sa Microsoft Store install service, and the next keyword ay yung Xbox Live Auth Manager. Okay, so select Xbox Live Auth Manager. So same, select and double click. And dito sa general, dapat select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then dito sa service status, i-click mo lang dito yung start, and then wait natin. And then after yan, i-click mo lang dito yung apply and okay. Right? So same dito. Ang next, yung Xbox Live Game Save. So select and double click. And then dito sa general, dapat dito sa startup type, so i-select lang dito yung automatic. And service status, i-click yung start, and then wait natin. And then click mo dito yung apply and okay. And the next keyword, ito yung Xbox Live Network Service. So same, select and double click. And then dito sa general, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic. And dito sa service status, i-click mo lang dito yung start, and then wait natin. And click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa services, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to do the repair or reset Xbox app. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. Dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung apps. And dito sa installed apps, so click mo lang yan. At dito sa search app, so kailangan mo lang i-type yan yung Xbox, so type mo lang yan. Ayan, so automatic naman na mag-appear kagad dito yung Xbox. And then, next step, so dito lang sa right side mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung advanced option. And then dito sa kanyang advanced option settings, and then scroll down at select mo lang dito yung reset. And then i-click mo lang dito yung repair. So, click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And after repair process, and then next step, i-click mo lang dito yung reset. So, click mo lang yan. And this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. And after dito sa reset settings, and then close lang natin tong settings. At dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, gulo lang po kasimple on how to fix Xbox app with the error code 0x89235106 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.